Can you all view the PP slide, the PDF mock test? Can anyone please unmute yourself and
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please unmute your phone. Hello, ma'am. Can you
am
hear
I
me?
audible now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Kindly answer the first one in the chat box. I want all of you to answer for the question. I hope I'm audible now. Kindly answer through chat box. I got two answers from Snega ma'am, Elsa ma'am, Satya ma'am, Snega Andal ma'am. So what about others? Kindly answer the question. That's nice. Yes, the right answer is B. IBRD stands for International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. What is the other name for International Bank for Reconstruction and Development? Yesterday I taught you right. What is the other name for this IBRD? Exactly, Snega ma'am. World Bank. That's nice. Yes, you're right, Elsa ma'am. Kindly answer the second question. Ultimately, dash was replaced by the dash on 1st Jan 1995. Think and answer. You can answer it. Okay. The second one answer is C. Yes, you're right. GATT was replaced by WTO. GATT is General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. It was replaced by World Trade Organization on 1st Jan 1995. Yes, you are right. Kindly answer the third one. And one small request, if while you're answering, please write the number of the question before your answer. For example, if it is second question, your answer is C, right? 2.2C, like that. So for the third one, you have to write 3 and the answer. A, B, C, D. Which one is the answer? Please write it. 3 and the answer. Solve the third one. Yes, I'm getting very quick answers. That's nice. Everyone try to solve it. Yes. The answer is A. Yes, the theory of comparative cost advantages was given by David Ricardo. Adam Smith theory name is Adam Smith proposed which theory? Yes, absolute cost advantage theory. HO theorem, Exter and Nolan proposed which theory? HO theorem. Yesterday I thought you right. Yes, Satya ma'am, you're right. Factor endorsement. Okay. Okay, what about FW tossing? E is an economist who proposed modern trade theory. Kindly note it. Modern trade theory. Very nice. Okay. Kindly answer the fourth question. Fourth one. Four. Kindly put the number of the question before the answer, as you did like 3A, like that. 4. Which one? Think and answer. It's a tricky question. Others, please answer. No, it's not A, it's not C. Think and answer. So obviously the answer should be between B and D. So someone is giving me B, someone is giving D. Okay, I'll tell the answer. 4B. Videocon. Videocon is an Indian multinational company. It produces lot of products like dishes, like that. Hindustan Unilever is a British company. It has been named as Hindustan. It's a sub company of Britishers. Cargill. Cargill is an American private global food corporation. It's kind of a American company, and Tesco is British multinational company. It is a general merchandise. Tesco. So the answer is B. Videocon is our own Indian MNC. Answer the fifth one. Five. Think an answer. It's 5D. Yes. Globalization refers to a more integrated and interdependent world. Yes. It's 5D. Answer the sixth one. Fifth one is over. Try to solve sixth one, which is not correct. Okay, the answer is 6D. Yes, you're right. So other three is right. IMFN, IBRD, headquarters located in Washington, and it is a Britannic twins. And as I said, as we already discussed, World Bank is also known as IBRD. And final one, India's voting share of IMF is 10 they have given. But right now, what is the percentage? Any guesses? It's it's 2.44 percentage now. Okay, let's solve the seventh one. What which is not true about WTO? Yes, you're right. The answer is D, 7D. So the what will be the answer for this? What has to be corrected? WTO officially constituted on, yes, 1995 first Jan. Okay. SARC, eighth one. Try to solve the eighth one. Eighth one.